Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use PivotTable Wizard. In this database I'm having 4 branches and the stop salaries. So we need to consolidate these bank details. Actually the normal pivot table we cannot consolidate from different listers. So for that we need to use the PivotTable Wizard options. To enable the PivotTable option, we need to press Ctrl D, then release then press P. So the window will open for you, the PivotTable Wizard. We can enable this option from the access bar, more commands, select all commands, to go for pivot. Okay. Scroll down. Here you can add your access toolbar. So I already did it. So you can open from here also. And the third option, multiple consolidation ranges. Just click on that. It's pivot table. Here we don't need to use the chart course, so we need to use pivot table. And click next. So we need to create the page fields. So that I will create the page field. Next. So here we need to select the first branch name. Select add, and we will rename this a branch 1. Branch 1. And the next branch is second branch. Click add. Change the name to branch 2. Then again the third branch. And change the name to 3. Next. Sorry, I forgot to add one. So select the last branch and I will change to branch 4. So this is branch 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 branches. Next, I will select the range here on the same page and just click finish. So the data is already generated. So you can see the whole data is here, all the branch details together. So even you can select branch by branch. You can select if you want. You can multiple branches, only 2 branches will duplicate. So 2 branch details is here. So the total is coming in. So we'll see the total here. It's 2 branch C, 34. Total will be C. It's matching. The beautiful thing is, in this, if you go to the total and just double click, see the whole details comes together. It's all fully consolidated. You can see the staff name, this is which one and what is the salary and which branch they are working. All the details. Thank you for watching. Good day. Bye bye.